students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 8.2, that is totally based on the word problems. Okay, so here it is the first word problem. A man got a 10% increase in his salary if his new salary is rupees 1,54,000. Find his original salary. So we have to find the original salary. So here is your solution. Let assume the original salary be rupees X. Okay, and the new salary is equal to rupees 1,54,000, like this. Okay, and percent increase is equal to 10%. So what is the formula? New salary is equal to original salary into 1 plus increase percent divide by 100. Like this you have to substitute all the values. So new salary we have 1,54,000. Original salary we had X rupees, then 1 plus increase percent is 10% divide by 100. So here I will write here 1,54,000 equal to X into 100 plus 10 is 110 divided by 100. So this 100 will go up. Okay, and this 110 will go to the denominator. X equal to 1,54,000 into 100 divided by 110. So 0 0 is cancelled. 154, yes, it can divide by 11. 11 ones are 11 11, 44, 11 fours are 44 and 0 0. So how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So X equal to rupees 1 2 3 4 zeros 4 1. 1,40,000 is your answer. That is the original salary. Let's do question number 2, students. Here what is the question? On Sunday 8:45 people went to the zoo. Okay, number of people, step by step we will read and process. Okay, number of people went to the zoo on Sunday is equal to 8:45. Okay, on Monday only 169 people went. Okay, so number of people as it is you have to write went to the zoo on Monday is equal to 169. So what we have to calculate, what is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday. Okay, so here percent decrease is equal to, we have to 845 minus 169, you have to find the decrease, number decrease in the number of people on Sunday and Monday. Okay, so we have to subtract and divide by number of people on Sunday into 100. Like this you have to solve this one. Okay, so let's solve. 15 minus 9 is 6. Then 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 676 divided by 845 into 100. Okay, students, this is 80% decrease. This is your answer. You have to solve this one and that answer. Okay, students, here question number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles. Here buys means cost price. It is given CP. Okay, CP of 80 articles it is given, and rupees 2400 and sells them for a profit. It is given profit of 16% in 80 articles. Find the selling price of one article. Here you have to find selling price of one article. Okay. So here cost price, buys means purchases means cost price and selling means selling price. Okay. Cost of 80 articles equal to rupees 2400. Okay. So CP of one article equal to rupees 2400 divided by 80, right? So here 0 0 cancel, 8 ones are 8 30s are, so rupees 30 is the cost price of one article. Okay. Profit equal to 16%. So we have to calculate selling price of one article is equal to CP into 1 plus profit divided by 100. So CP is 30 rupees for one article, 1 plus profit is 16%, like this. Okay. So you will get here 30 into 116 divided by 100, 0 0 is cancelled, 116 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 1 2 3 4, 3 1 are 3, 34.80. Okay. So what is the SP of one article? Answer is rupees 34.80. that is your answer, question number 3. Okay students, let's see question number 4 here. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500, rupees 450 was spent on its repairs. Okay. So we have to write first step by step. CP of one article is equal to rupees 15,500 and spent on its repairs. What is the amount? Rupees 450. So net CP will be, total CP we have to add both. Okay. 15,500 plus 450. Okay. Student, here 0 5 plus 4 is 9. Is equal to rupees 15,950. Now profit percentage, profit equal to 15%. Now SP you have to find. SP is equal to CP into 1 plus profit divided by 100, right? So here CP is this one. Okay. 15,950 into 1 plus profit is 15 divided by 100. So what is your answer? 15,950 into 115 divided by 100 equal to rupees 18,342.50. This is your answer number 4. Okay, that is your solution. Okay students, this is the question number 5. A VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000. Okay. Here total money is given, VCR and TV. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on VCR and a profit of 8% on TV. So here loss percent is 4%. Here CP of VCR is equal to rupees 8,000. Okay. So here 8,000 rupees and loss is 4%. Okay. So CP is equal to SP we have to find. SP is equal to CP into 1 minus loss percent divided by 100. Okay. So loss percent is 4%. So CP is our 8,000 into 1 minus 4 by 100. So 100 minus 4 is 96. Okay. 96 divided by 100. So 0 0 is cancelled. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48, 8 9 is 72, 72 or plus 4, that is 7680. 7680 is selling price of VCR. Now this is first. Now for the second, that is CP of what is given, CP of TV is given equal to rupees 8000. Profit is equal to 8%, right? So here I will write SP is equal to CP. Here it is given profit percent. So what I will do here, 1 plus. Here for loss you have to put up minus, and for the profit you have to put up plus. Profit divided by 100. So CP is 8000 into 1 plus profit is 8 divided by 100 equal to 8000 into 118 divided by 100. 0 0 is cancelled. 8 8s are 64, 6 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11 12 13 14, 8 1s are 8, 9. So here I will get 9440 rupees. Okay, so we will do, here it is given find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. Okay, for the whole we have to calculate. So the total CP we have to see rupees 8000 plus rupees 8000, that is rupees 16,000. Total SP, total SP is, what is the total SP? 7680 plus this one rupees 9440 equal to rupees 0 0 8 9 10 11 12 6 4 10 11, 9 plus 8 is 17. So I am getting here this much, 17,120. So what which is greater, SP or CP? Selling price is greater. Here selling price is greater than cost price. So we have to find the profit percent. Okay, so profit percent is equal to SP minus CP upon CP into 100. Okay, so here we have to write 17120 minus 16000 divide by CP is 16,000 into 100. Okay, 0 0 is cancelled. Here what I will get, 127 minus 6, 160, 0 0. Okay students, sorry for that, little bit I had correction here. Here 1 plus 8 by 100 is 108 divided by 100. Okay, so your answer will change here, rupees 8640. Now total SP will be, if you add with 8640 you will get this much, 16,320. Okay, and the profit percent also SP will be changed here. So what you will get, 32 divided by 16. So 16 ones are 16, 2s are 32. So profit percent is 2% is your answer. This much you have to solve. First you have to solve for CP SP of VCR. For the loss percent you have to calculate. Then you have to calculate SP for the profit of TV, that is for the profit percent 8%. Okay, now you have to find the whole transaction, it is gain or loss percent. So you have to find the total CP and total SP. Then you have to see which is greater, SP or CP. If SP is greater, so it will be the profit percent. If CP is greater, then that will be your loss percent. So here it is the profit percent. So SP minus CP upon CP into 100, that is the total one. Okay, we had calculate here percent for the whole transaction. I will write here for the whole transaction. This is profit percent. Okay, so this is your answer, that is 2%. Okay, so I hope you understand up till here. In the next video I will cover the rest of the question. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.